So let's discover together two pronouns in affirmative imperative sentences, okay? And so the concept of the video will be to show you exactly how it goes with the sentences, and because it's quite tricky to know exactly where to put the pronouns, but we won't go too deep in this video. I just wanted to well, show you a few sentences, okay? And after that we'll develop that in another video, okay? So we can start it right now. Say it to me. Dis-le-moi. 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 Say it to him. Dis-le lui. Dis-le lui. Dis-le lui. Say it to us. Dis-le nous. Dis-le nous. Dis-le nous. Say it to them. Dis-le leur. Dis-le leur. Dis-le leur.